I'm gonna show you how you cross the road properly. I think this is a bank. Oh, that is beautiful. That should be a nice selfie. Somebody edit me in properly.